what's up? Today I am going to be making Michael Jackson say something really funny. So today, I got here the two songs that I'm gonna use. Yeah. So we're gonna head over to the music video folder. And now we're gonna select the two songs. Okay, so we're going to use this one, Bad, and then we're going to use this one. Okay, so the first one is here. Now we're going to head over to our phrase. Right, here's our phrase that we're going to use. So we're going to split here and here. Now we head over to our other song, which recently got upscaled. So we're going to head over to here. Right. Here's the other one. Right, here we go. Alright, here we go. We did it. Now we create this thing. Alright. And it's done. Let's play it. Funny. Comedy. Wait, what the hell is that? What the hell is that thing? I never seen that thing before. What? I'm sorry guys, I have to